Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to hide your story from someone. Okay, it is so simple. Just watch the video till the end. Let's start. Channel, click the bell icon into all and like the video if you like it. Okay, and if you have any question related to education, related to technical, just click on the Telegram app and search here Mr. MRWIP, Mr. Wip. If any question you have, you can join it. Okay, you have to this. Hello friend, today I will show you how to hide your Instagram story from your friend, or if you want someone that you don't want to show your story to them. So first of all you have to open Instagram. When you open Instagram and you want to upload your story for some people and you want to hide your story for someone, for example, so this is my Instagram and what you need to know, this is, just click on this button. Okay, now just click on the, this is post, this is story, you have to click on the story. Okay, in story you can upload any picture or you can upload anything. Okay, I just select this picture. Oh, okay, this is but I want to, this is just a post. Okay, now first of all there is your story, there is a close friend, this is your close friend. What you will do, just click on this. No, okay, when you click this will show share to you, but just click on this and click on the story, select any post, select a post, select best post, select post. Okay, I am going to select any post, I select this post. Now okay, what you can do, you have just click on the next button. When I click on the next button, there is a, there is two things, one is share your story, one is close friend. So you have to edit your close friend. For this purpose just click here. Now you can edit your all friend. So if you want to, so you add those people who want to share your family. If you want to share your story with these people, just add it. Okay, if you want to hide your story from this person, don't add him. Okay, don't add him. And now just click, now I have select, I have already, now this is 17 people, just click on the share button and done. Okay, now you will see this, I have uploaded this story, I have uploaded this story and this story is only shared with my best friend. Okay, this is okay, you can edit your close friend rate. Just click on this and edit it. This is the simple best way that you can hide your story from others. Thanks for watching.